In this tutorial, we will show the essence of presets and how we can use them. Thank you for your interest in the Infinity Chimp Lite controller, and welcome to this tutorial. To learn more about the various parts of the Infinity Chimp Lite controller, keyboard, and screen, you are advised to watch Tutorial 1 and 2, Hardware and Software. This tutorial is based on software version 1.3. If your Chimp uses a different software version, the functions or user interface may be different. Please note that we refer to the Chimp hardware keys as keys and the GUI software keys as buttons in this tutorial. What are presets? Presets are used to save the values of attributes like position, color, or gobo of a fixture that we want to use in a show. By default, the split widget for the presets can always be found at the top right of the screen, but we can also configure it in the left split widgets if we want to. We can then call up these presets values when we program the show. A very useful feature of presets is that when we use them whilst programming various cues, all the cues are automatically modified when the changes are made to these presets. At the top left of the presets split widget, we can find the Direct Action button. If this function is activated and we select a preset, the Chimp will automatically select all the fixtures included in this preset. We will not be using this function for now, and we'll deselect it by pressing it again. At the top right of the preset split widget, there is a function which is normally set to Link to Programmer, which means that presets of the selected attribute will automatically show up. If we press the function, this brings up a pull-down menu. Here, we can configure a setting to only see one type of preset, such as position, color, or gobo in the split widget. We will choose the standard setting, which is Link to Programmer. We will now choose a group of fixtures, in our case the IS400 group. The presets light up green in the preset split widget. This means that the intensity of these fixtures has been programmed here. If we select a different attribute in the Programmer split widget, we see the content of the preset split widget also changes. As we have selected Link to Programmer in the preset split widget, we see the position presets when we select the position attribute. If we press the color attribute, we see the color presets and so on. Applying presets. We will select the attribute intensity. We then click on the Intensity Preset button for the IS400 on the screen. We can see the dimmer for the IS400 fixtures adjusts to 100%. This is the information that is programmed in the Intensity Preset. In our next example, we use two position presets to create a setting. All IS400 fixtures have been selected. We now press Preset Left. The position of the selected fixtures are now set to left. The Preset button now displays the number 8. This means that 8 fixtures make use of this preset. We then select the odd-numbered group and press Preset Right. The fixture indicator in the Preset button area changes from 8 to 4 on the left preset. The right preset also shows the number 4. We have used presets to quickly set a position. Programming a preset. We can create a new intensity preset of 50% by pressing the @ key followed by 50 and then pressing Enter. We press the Record key and click on a free preset button on the screen. In our example, we click on Preset Button 6. We give the preset button a name and press Enter. We now adjust this preset to 25%. To do so, we press @ followed by 25 and then press Enter. We then press the Record key and select Replace Function in the Record toolbar at the bottom of the screen. We now press the preset button that we have just created. The 50% value in this preset button is now replaced by 25%. To check this, we press Preset 5 and Preset 6 and see that the intensity changes. The name still needs to be changed from 50 to 25. We press the Name key and then choose the preset button that we will want to change. We change the name and press Enter. Colors of the preset buttons. The Chimp uses a variety of colors in the preset buttons. The colors and the color combinations are as follows. Gray area without stripe. This color means that no fixtures are selected. Dark gray area without stripe. This color means that the preset cannot be applied to the selected fixtures. Gray area with green stripe. This color means that the preset can be applied to all selected fixtures, but that it is not loaded in the programmer. Gray area with yellow stripe. This color means that the preset can be applied to some of the selected fixtures, but that the preset is not loaded in the programmer. Light green area with green stripe. This color means that the preset value is loaded in the programmer and that corresponding fixtures have been selected. Dark green area. This color means that the preset value is loaded in the programmer, but that the applicable fixtures have not been selected. Yellow area with green stripe. This color means that applicable fixtures have been selected and the programmer contains preset values of some selected fixtures. Yellow area with yellow stripe. This color means that the preset value is loaded in the programmer, but not all selected fixtures are applicable on that preset. Direct action. We are now in the All Presets screen. We select Direct Action. When we use this function, we do not have to select any fixtures beforehand. The Chimp will load the values of the preset in the programmer even if there are no fixtures selected. We have programmed several fixtures with color and position information under Preset Button Pause. When we click on Preset Pause, the colors and positions are loaded into the programmer. The fixtures in the Output Visualizer now display a red stripe. More information on the Output Visualizer is provided in a different tutorial. The preset pause remains dark green. This is because we have not selected any fixtures, but the values have been loaded into the programmer. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Infinity strives to keep its Chimp-related tutorials and software information up to date. Keep an eye on our social media channels for the latest information on the Chimp.